Damian Ross here, Self-Defense Company, and again, as promised, I'm going to show you that rock crusher technique that's not even found on the self-defense training system as a thank you for filling out the survey. And again, just to point out surveys, I know they become a hassle. It seems like everyone's asking you questions,
Excuse me,
always
sir.
looking for something.
Can you answer a few questions for me? I have a quick survey.
Listen, I'm kind of in the middle of something.
This will only take a second. It's only a few
Honestly,
questions.
we got the camera rolling.
It's quick. Come on.
No, dude, I
Listen,
can't do this now.
If you don't know how to read, I can read you the questions. I'll answer it for you if you
It's
want
gonna be
to.
that
Come on, I gotta finish
Look,
it.
dude, no, we're
Just
done.
answer
We're
the
done.
questions.
We're
I'll
done.
kick your ass.
Oh, anyway, that's what the rock crusher looks like. Hi, this is Damian Ross and Pete Barry from the Self-Defense Company, and that technique that we were using is called the rock crusher technique. Again, wrist is bent back, and if you look at the end of your ulnar bone, there's a little point of the bone that sits right out here. It's like a little ball peen hammer, and it's great to really drive in and crush whatever you're hitting, hence the name rock crusher. And you use it just like you're swinging a hammer. You're just whipping it, dropping your weight in your target, hitting the side of the head, the nose, the face, the neck, the collarbone, anywhere there's target-rich environments above the shoulder. Okay? The wrist is slightly bent back to expose that bone, and like I said, it's very, very, very durable. Okay? So that bone, just dropping it straight into your target. Right? Wrist bent back, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Again, another little item to add to your toolkit. This is Damian Ross and Pete Barry from the Self-Defense Company. Until next time, train honestly.